Hi, this is Robert Weinberg, your mortgage advisor and financial coach. If you're someone looking to buy a home in the future, you'll find this video valuable as I go over my top tips for getting ready to buy your dream home. The first one's going to be you want to automate your down payment savings. So here's the steps to do that. First of all, you want to contact your bank, and if you don't already have a savings or money market account set up, you want to have them open a special savings or money market account that you can specifically design for the purpose of down payment and money for closing. Then you can easily transfer money between your checking accounts over there without a big hassle. The way that you can automate this is by contacting your bank and letting them know you want a certain amount taken out of your checking account on a weekly or monthly basis and moved over to that special savings or money market account that we just talked about. A way to take this even further is to contact your HR or payroll department at your job and ask them to specifically take out a certain amount from each paycheck and deposit it into that special down payment closing savings account that we just discussed. That'll automate the savings for you so that the money is in there before you even have a chance to spend it. The next thing you want to do is a credit checkup. So as I always say, you want to get with a mortgage advisor at least 3 to 6 months ahead of buying a home. But if you're further out than that, you can use a free credit report tool like I spoke about in last week's video to verify that everything on your credit report is valid and accurate. Once you've done that, you're going to want to be sure that all the accounts that are on your credit report are paid on time, at least for the last 12 months. That'll put your best foot forward when it comes to having the best possible credit score once you are ready to get pre-approved. The next thing you're going to want to do is make sure that all of the credit accounts on your report, specifically credit cards and charge cards, are below 30% of the credit limit. So what that means is on a $1,000 credit line, you want to make sure that the balance is no more than $300, which is 30%. That'll, again, make sure that your credit is on the up and up and you have the best possible score once it actually gets reviewed by a loan officer or underwriter. And lastly, on the credit checkup, you want to be aware that you don't have any outstanding collections. If you do, it's not the end of the world, but you'll want to discuss that further with your mortgage advisor and be sure that you don't have any new collections pop up, since that can definitely lower your credit score dramatically, which is the last thing you want when you're getting ready to buy a home. The next tip that I'll talk about is living on a budget and understanding your budget. So what you're going to want to do is list out all your expenses on a monthly basis, your rent payment, your utility bills, whether it be electric, oil, gas, etc., any auto payments that you have, gas for your vehicles, any and everything that you spend money on a monthly basis, you're going to want to put that down on a written budget. And there's a couple different reasons to do that, but one important one is that you may be able to find holes in your budget where you can save money or eliminate things, and that money can help even further automate your down payment savings, as we talked about earlier in this video. The other thing that I've done, and I've had a lot of clients do, which has been very valuable, is to create a sample or a mock budget of what your monthly expenses are going to look like once you actually own a home. What's your ideal mortgage payment going to be? What are the property taxes and insurance going to be? How much are your new utilities going to be on that property? And of course, your home maintenance. A lot of first-time buyers make the mistake of not allocating money towards maintenance costs, which are pretty much evident on every property. So I hope that these tips have been of value to you in your quest for buying a home. Once you're ready, I'm here to help with any pre-approval needs that you may have. You can reach out to my office via social media, or you can call or text my office directly. Hope that helps, and we'll talk to you soon.